go. So I have my $5 airsoft gun, and we're going to be testing it out on a tomato. Like and subscribe. Here we go. Okay, $5 airsoft gun. Just a little revolver. It's about 9 shot. I'm going to be testing it. I'm just going to... One of the chambers is broken. Let me just check. Yep. Perfect. It's not going to be firing a broken one. Oh no, it will. Sorry. Just need to fix something in the gun. That one there, the broken one first. And perfect. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay, that wasn't good. Hold on. Something's definitely wrong. It didn't fire a bullet. Okay, there we go. Okay, now my thoughts of trying to see how painful it is have just disappeared. Hell no. This is not a good toy to play with in the house.